On offer today at Maple Lane, we have a Grand Master SKA, a 2021 model, seen here with the white roof and body and metallic silver side brace covers and polyester fenders. The alloy wheels is a unique Böckmann design, special for the Grand Master. You can see inside the Portax system of stall divider, which allows two 18-hand horses in here with 33-inch wide stalls. The extra long length of the Grand Master puts portable feed buckets on the sidewall with extra room for you to stand to work with your horses or to change. You have a night light at the top. You have hay net rings on each side in front of the horses, and a place to tie your horses at the level of the chest bar. Each stall bar is adjustable in height for chest and in the rear for the length of the horse. To access your tack storage area, you have a door on the outside of the trailer. This is set up for English tack, and you have a door on the inside of the trailer to get at your two storage shelves. This is the Grand Master SKA.